Welcome to RCM Prep A level playback videos. This is example weekly test number 18. This example is in the key of G major. Go ahead and play a G major triad along with me. This example is in 3/4 time signature and has 2 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Did I start on Do? Did I end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, go ahead and turn to page 48 of RCM's Prep A Level 4-Star Sight Reading and Ear Tests book. Thank you.